Good evening, everyone. This recording is a very short one just to kind of share with you how you guys can rank up to silver the smartest way. We all know that it's already been communicated that the first two spots, these first two spots here, these are the most two valuable spots besides yours in your organization. So we always suggest that these first two and as much as you can at the bottom are for your direct family members or your loved ones. So I'm going to make a scenario that you have two children. I'm going to use that scenario. So you have two children, you sign them up here. And by the way, there's going to be another recording on how to sign up children under 18. It's very easy, but this one is just to talk about how to rank up to silver. And the reason you want to rank up to silver is for you to take advantage of the matching bonuses along with the matrix when the matrix kicks in. All right. So once you sign up, you put in your two loved ones here. I'm just going to keep it as two loved ones. Make sure that they are signed up here. Your first action and your first mission is to make them bronze. And in order for them to be bronze, they need to have two people under them as it shows here. And what does that mean? It means, let us assume, in many cases, this will be your two children. So they may be under 18 or even over 18. But in college, you don't want to distract them, but you're trying to plug them in here so that they can also take advantage of the matrix money coming down the pipe in a few months from now as this business grows under you. So you're going to make sure that the first two people or the first four people you sign up, you use the link of child number one here. Use that link to sign up those two people that you have, not your link. That already makes your child number one bronze. Child number two used his or her link to sign up the next two people you're signing up. Now, I didn't do this. I made a mistake. So I'm bringing to you what I wish I knew. Okay. I didn't do that on my own here. So once you use your children's links to sign up your first four people, you have just made them bronze. Guess what? In order to get to silver, you need 3 bronze. Well, guess what? Your first 2 bronze is your family. So the money is going to go to them as they grow. So now you are now just looking for 1 more bronze, which could be anybody you sign up as you grow. And that makes you to rank up to silver very, very fast. And then as soon as you crack silver, you're going to realize that you're going to be able to crack gold in no time, within a month to a month and a half. And guys, that is when you really start cashing in on this thing. I've been talking to people all day today, and I'm really learning a lot about this business, and I'm here to tell you this is so timely. I cannot be so grateful enough. So once again, moving forward, just to kind of teach you guys, it is better for you to make your first 2 people, your 2 children here, your loved ones here, let them sign up the first 4 people you're bringing in with their links. Yes, with their own links. That makes them bronze. Now you can now begin to sign up your own and get your 3rd bronze. Okay? Thank you very much. And if you have any questions, you know how to reach me.